Okay, so an absolute monster of a job today. I don't know actually what is the time. I started at 8 and it is now 5:30. It's quite a long time polishing a vehicle because I don't have a break, you see. I just like have a drink on the side and like just keep sipping from it. But anyway, that's beside the point. Yeah, this is a 68 plate Volkswagen Transporter. It's a pre-sale restoration. Yeah, pre-sale restoration. I've done like all the normal stuff that I would do on every car. Needed like a straight. I needed a heavy cut in some places to get rid of some of the scratches. I'm happy with it. Silky smooth now. Feels like a brand new van. So what did I do? Same. Well, basically I think actually near enough everything I use today is actually on my little workbench. Apart from like Touchless that goes through me Ava, and the clay's not on there either. And that's what that is down here. That's actually soapy deionized water, which I use for the clay. And then obviously I've worked through these. I did a heavy cut, obviously I just used that just here and there, and then I did these two, finished off with the Menzerna, had a wipe around with the cleanser fluid, did the wheels with auto wheel. Oh, it was actually really heavily contaminated on the both doors, so I rinsed with this like carousel stuff, and then cleaned the doors. What else did I use? Oh, CarPro PERL. That's what I use for the black. These bits here. This is plastic and a trim. So I do these, and I also do that there. Auto wheel on the wheels, and CarPro PERL again on the rubber. Excellent. Looks absolutely stunning. Well, if anyone is actually interested in buying it, I have not got any clue. I didn't discuss like price with the customer, but I think he said he was selling it in a couple of weeks. It's done like 120,000 miles. It's in almost mint condition now because the paint's been restored back to factory. Yeah, awesome, really happy. I'll tell you, I might be exhausted and I might love every minute of doing this, but God, I can't wait to get home. Had enough today. Anyway, cut to the drone footage.
Thank